Now, Bank of Baroda Uganda Limited was the shareholders' capital has grown by 1,250%. And it is always the endeavor of Baroda to ensure that investors who repose confidence in the bank get a fair return on their investments. The Baroda shares, ladies and gentlemen, have crossed various milestones during this period since 2002. Firstly, the shares of Baroda were split into 1:10 way back in the year 2008, and then we allotted bonus shares in the year 2011 at the ratio of 1.5:1, and again in this year, that is 2013, we have issued the bonus share again in the ratio of 1.5:1, taking our capital from 4 billion in 2010 to now 25 billion, and the number of shares have gone up from 4 billion to now 2.5 billion. Now, so far the market cap of Baroda share is concerned, this is at present about 325 billion. The bank had the alternative of making a foreign public issue or to make a right issue of shares. However, the bank chose to reward the existing shareholder by issuing bonus shares by capitalizing the retained earnings. So this speaks of bank's commitment to augmenting the stakeholders' value through concern, care and competence. I am happy to share with you that the bank has posted excellent financial results in the year 2012 despite challenging macroeconomic environment. Now, customer centricity, as you all know, is at the center stage of our commitment, and the motto of our bank for the year 2013 is excellence through enhanced customer commitment. In this direction, ladies and gentlemen, we have improvised our existing products and services, launched some new products and services, and also we have rationalized our charges with regards to say school fee collection charges, funds remittance out of country, etc. I am also glad to share with you that Bank of Baroda has been recognized one of the 50 top brands in this country, and recently Super Brands has also recognized Baroda brand, one of the super brands in the banking segment, and out of 25 banks, they recognize Baroda as the 5th largest brand in Uganda. So I take this opportunity to thank Bank of Uganda for pursuing prudent monetary policies which help the economy to be resilient during times of financial crisis. The proactive approach of the government has also created a conducive investment environment in this country, and thereby impetus to the investment, particularly the private sector, is given by the government by providing new jobs to the new industries. I also take this opportunity to thank the Capital Market Authority and the Uganda Securities Exchange for their wholehearted support and guidance, and I also thank the sponsoring brokers for handling the Baroda issue very smoothly. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for your kind attention. Only I would like to say, as a commitment from the MD Baroda, that we will continue to take care of the interests of our stakeholders and also the customer, following our vision, that is taking care of the shareholders' wealth by concern, care and competence. Thank you very much. Now it's my honor to invite the Global Chairman Bank of Baroda to speak on this occasion, Mr. S. Munka.
Honorable Governor, Bank of Uganda, members of the Governing Council, USA, USC, representative of the Capital Market Authority, my Chairman of Bank of Baroda Uganda Limited, Dr. Makuze, fellow directors on the Board of Bank of Baroda Uganda, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. It is indeed a very important occasion for me. Before I come to the formal part of the speech, I did spend 3 years in Uganda, 94 to 97, at the Bank of Baroda Uganda Limited, and I remember about the time when I was to leave the country, the issue, public issue, divestment. As a matter of fact, the whole negotiation of the divestment, I was a part of it. It started at that point of time, and from divestment, and then it led to the public offering. So So though I am coming after a gap of 16 years, but I feel it is a great coincidence that what started at that time has culminated into such a meaningful endeavor today. I thank Capital Market Authority, the Uganda Security Exchange and all other related parties for working in unison to help us achieve this milestone. Giving bonus shares to our shareholders is a step forward towards rewarding all those who repose faith in this bank. Baroda was the first financial institution, as already informed, in the country to be listed at the exchange. Our shareholders have been benefited by way of consistent rise in their capital year on year. Baroda as a global conglomerate has registered remarkable growth in business. Our total business has crossed approximately $148 billion with net profit of approximately $830 million. The Bank of Baroda globally is operating through almost 4,300 branches in India and 100 overseas offices, and we have a presence across 24 countries on the globe. In 2012, the parent bank was showered with a number of awards and accolades. Baroda was adjudged the best bank of India in 2012, after being conferred the same in 2010 as well. Excellence, besides being conferred the Golden Peacock Award, which is conferred for excellence in corporate governance by Institute of Directors and World Forum for Corporate Governance, London. Baroda, Uganda has done well during the year 2012, taking into the account the challenging macroeconomic environment in the country as well as globally. The business of the bank has maintained its robust growth and upward trend both in qualitative and quantitative terms. I am pleased to inform that the bank has been expanding its existing range of offerings by improvising its products and services. The bank continues to expand its outreach. We are opening our 15th branch very shortly at Kololo, Kampala. I wish good luck to the board and top management of the Bank of Baroda Uganda Limited for working tirelessly for the last 6 decades and rendering uninterrupted financial services to the people of Uganda. I am confident that the commitment and dedicated efforts of Bank of Baroda Uganda will lead to further improvement in the wealth of stakeholders in times to come.